Once upon a time, in a magical forest, lived a tiny, green goblin named Goyle. Goyle was not like the other goblins. He had a kind heart and a curious mind. One night, Goyle looked up at the twinkling stars and wished he could explore the world beyond the forest. The next morning, he found a shiny, golden key near his home. Goyle picked up the key and wished aloud, "I wish to see the world beyond the forest." Suddenly, the key glowed brightly, and a magical door appeared before him. With a leap of faith, Goyle stepped through the door. He found himself in a beautiful, bustling city filled with people, cars, and buildings as tall as trees. Goyle was amazed. He met a friendly human girl named Lily who offered to be his guide. Together, they saw a big, shiny tower, a giant park, and even a library filled with books. Goyle learned about the world, its cultures, and the importance of kindness. He realized that even though he was different, he was not alone. He made a new friend in Lily and discovered that the world was a beautiful, exciting place. As the sun began to set, Goyle felt a tug at his heart. He knew it was time to return home. With a tear in his eye, he said goodbye to Lily, promising to visit again. With the golden key, Goyle stepped back through the door, returning to his magical forest. He found peace in the familiar sights of his home, but his heart was filled with the memories of his adventure. From that day on, Goyle was no longer just a curious goblin. He was a dreamer, a traveler, and a friend. And every night, he would look up at the stars, dreaming of his next adventure. The end.